Welcome to my religion class. Today I will discuss about 3 topics, and these topics are receiving the prophethood of Hazrat Muhammad SAW, the inspiration of Islam, and Hazrat Muhammad SALAM's visit to Taif. First we know about how did Hazrat Muhammad receive his prophethood. From his early life, Hazrat Muhammad think about around his world, around his society. He thought about the freedom and peace of the human beings. He thought about the worshipping culture of the idols which were made of clay. He thought that these idols which were made of clay could not be the creator of the human being. So he began to think about the creator. Who is the creator who nourished everything? He thought about this. And he used to meditate or think in a cave of Hira mountain. Which mountain? Hira mountain. And this Hira mountain was 3 miles away from his house. And he attained prophethood at 40 years old. And he got his prophethood at the night of Qadr. And the month was Ramadan. He used to meditate in the cave of the Hira for 2 or 3 days or 2 or 3 nights. And in the night of Qadr, the month of Ramadan, an angel, Jibreel came on the behalf of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And he came with Wahi. Wahi means message. Angel Jibreel recited first 5 ayats of Surah Alaq. Which surah? Surah Alaq. Now, I will recite the first 5 ayats of Surah Alaq. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Iqra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq. It means, read in the name of your Lord who created. Ayat number 2. Khalaqal insana min 'alaq. It means He or Allah created man from something that climbs. Verse number 3. Iqra wa rabbukal akram. It means read, your Lord is the most generous. Verse number 4. Allazi 'allama bil qalam. Who taught by the pen. Allamal insana ma lam ya'lam. It means taught man what he did not know. So in this 5 verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent message to Hazrat Muhammad to teach people about the creator of the whole universe. Prophet Hazrat was afraid. He went to home and narrated this incident to his wife Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu anhu. And she consoled Hazrat Muhammad that Hazrat never did any harm to anyone, so nothing bad will happen to him. The next point is invitation to Iman. What is Iman? Iman means faith. Faith on Allah, faith on the Kitab, faith on the Rasul, faith on the Akhirat, and faith on the messengers. After getting the prophethood, Hazrat began to preach Islam, preach Iman to the people of the Makkah. And among them, Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu anhu is the first person or first woman who accepted Islam. So who is the first person who accepted Islam? Yes, Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu anhu. And who is the first woman to accept Islam? Yes, Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu anhu. After her, Hazrat Ali radhiyallahu anhu and Zayd ibn Haris took the invitation of Islam among the family of Hazrat Muhammad SAW. Then Hazrat SAW began to preach or give the invitation of Islam to the people, but they began to insult him and torture him, but he never stopped. He invited people to come to the right path, to the way of Islam and worship only one Allah. And he also said them that if you give sun on my one hand and the moon on my one hand, but I never stop to preach the Islam. But the people of the Makkah were engaged in torture him, but he never stopped to preach the Islam. After the death of his wife Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu anhu and his uncle Abu Talib, Hazrat became frustrated, and the Kafirs of Makkah tortured him so much. He moved to Taif. Taif is a place. He moved to Taif, but he was beaten. They threw stones on him and he was badly injured. But Hazrat Islam never crushed them. She did not crush them, but he prayed pardon to Allah for the people of Taif. This is an amazing story of forgiveness in the history, because he forgave that people who threw stones. So these are the three topics of today. The first one is receiving the prophethood, second one is invitation of Iman, and last one is visit to Taif. The first topic, we see that Hazrat Islam thought about everything from his early age. He began to meditate in the cave of Hira mountain, which was 3 miles away from his house. He got his prophethood at the age of 40 years old, and he got his prophethood at Qadr night, and the month was Ramadan. Angel Jibril Islam came to him on behalf of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with wahi. Wahi means message, and he recited, Angel Jibril Islam recited first 5 ayats of Surah Alaq to him, and in these 5 ayats Allah said to Hazrat Islam to teach people about the creator of our whole universe, who is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And after that incident, Hazrat Islam became afraid of that, and he went to home and narrated everything to his wife Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu anhu consoled him. After getting the prophethood, Hazrat Islam began to preach Islam to the people of the Makkah. The first who accepted Islam is Hazrat Khadija. Then Hazrat Ali radhiyallahu anhu and Hazrat Zaid ibn Haris accepted Islam or Iman. The people of Makkah began to insult him and torture him, but he never stopped to preach Islam. He invited people the way of Islam to come the right path and to worship only one Allah. And after the death of his wife Khadija radhiyallahu anha and his uncle Abu Talib, he went to Taif to teach Islam, but the people of the Taif threw stones to him and injured him. But Hazrat Islam did not curse them, but he prayed to Allah for their pardon, and it is an amazing example of forgiveness in the history. That's all for today. I hope you can understand today's topic. Read the 5 ayahs of Surah Alaq and memorize it very attentively. See you soon in my next class. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.